Welcome to our Kitchen Essentials Spotlight. Today, we're unfolding the trendiest flexible cutting boards on Amazon, every home chef's new best friend. These bendable wonders are not just about smart storage and easy transfer of food, they're top-rated for their robust build and hygienic surfaces. Durable, lightweight, and designed to protect your countertops, these boards are must-haves in any modern kitchen. Get ready to discover how these flexible cutting boards are making clean cuts and an even cleaner kitchen experience. So without further ado, let's get started. At number 5 is the Simply Genius Plastic Cutting Board. The Simply Genius Plastic Cutting Boards for Kitchen emerge as an exemplary kitchen aid, marrying functionality with style. This set's appeal starts with its vibrant color coding, a practical yet cheerful addition to any kitchen. The coating not only adds visual variety, but serves a critical purpose in preventing cross-contamination between food types. It's a detail that both home cooks and professional chefs can appreciate. These cutting boards are noticeably thicker than many competitors, providing a sturdier cutting surface without sacrificing their hallmark flexibility. The ability to bend and funnel food straight into cooking vessels is a testament to their thoughtful design, streamlining meal prep and minimizing kitchen mess. Durability is another standout feature. The boards are crafted from high-quality, BPA-free material that withstands the demands of daily use without dulling knives, a feature that will undoubtedly resonate with those who value their cutlery. Moreover, the special texture on the surface ensures a prolonged lifespan for both the boards and your knives. Maintenance is hardly a chore. These boards are incredibly easy to clean. Toss them in the dishwasher without fear of them warping or retaining odors, a common issue with inferior products. Their lightweight yet robust construction makes them ideal for a wide range of environments, from bustling family kitchens to the compact spaces of a college apartment, or even the great outdoors during a camping trip. Finally, safety is adeptly addressed with the non-slip, textured underside, ensuring stability during use. These cutting mats promise to neatly tuck away into storage, ready for the next culinary challenge. In sum, the Simply Genius Cutting Board set is a well-rounded choice designed to cater to the rigorous needs of the modern kitchen enthusiast. At number 4 is the Eat Neat Stainless Steel Cutting Board. The Eat Neat Stainless Steel Knife and Cutting Boards set stands as a paragon of kitchen simplicity and efficiency. This set is a testament to the thoughtful design and consideration for the home chef's needs, catering to both the amateur cook and the seasoned culinary artist. Starting with the materials, the high-grade stainless steel knives promise durability and a keen edge for precision cutting, which is vital for any cooking enthusiast. The weight and balance of the knives feel professional, and the sharpness of the blade slices through ingredients with ease, improving prep time and the overall cooking experience. The cutting boards, designed with longevity and ease of maintenance in mind, complement the knives perfectly. They offer a sturdy and safe platform for all your chopping needs, whether it's dicing vegetables or carving meats. The surface is resilient, showing no significant signs of wear even after repeated use, which speaks to the quality of construction. Ergonomics are not an afterthought in this set. The knives feature handles that are comfortable to grip, reducing hand fatigue and making your chopping, slicing, and dicing tasks more pleasurable. Safety is further enhanced by the stability of the cutting boards, which remain steadfast on the countertop during use. The space-saving design of the set is a boon for those with limited kitchen space, like apartment dwellers or those with a compact camping kit. Despite its small footprint, it doesn't compromise on providing the essential tools needed for a wide variety of cooking tasks. At number 3 is the Royal Craft Bamboo Cutting Board. The Royal Craftwood Bamboo Cutting Boards for Kitchen is a product that effortlessly caters to both the ambitious holiday meal preparations and the daily demands of kitchen chopping. With its extra jumbo size of 24-inch by 18-inch and a robust 1-inch thickness, this board demands attention for its capability to handle extensive culinary tasks. Crafted from 100% natural bamboo, this heavy-duty board reassures users of its longevity and resistance to common kitchen woes such as warping and splintering. The eco-friendly bamboo material also ensures that your food prep surface is clean and non-toxic, a crucial consideration for health-conscious consumers. A standout feature is the deep juice groove, which efficiently traps liquids, preventing messy spills and helping to maintain a tidy workspace. This design aspect elevates the board from a mere chopping platform to a carving master, adept at keeping your counters pristine. Versatility shines through as this board doubles as a serving tray, boasting handles that facilitate easy carrying. Whether you're laying out a cheese platter, slicing bread, or serving a roast, it transitions seamlessly from prep to presentation. Knife care is also taken into account. The board's water-resistant lacquered finish preserves the sharpness of your blades, making it a true friend to both your knives and your prep work. Lastly, the confidence that Royal Craftwood places in its product is echoed in the included 1-year warranty and a money-back guarantee, underscoring their commitment to customer satisfaction and quality assurance. At number 2 is the Zulay Home Cutting Board. The 3-piece plastic cutting board set for the kitchen stands out as an indispensable trio for culinary enthusiasts. Thoughtfully designed with an ample surface area, the varying sizes, large, medium, and small, cater to a range of meal prep scenarios, from slicing fruits to chopping large cuts of meat. One of the set's most laudable features is its dishwasher-safe quality, which simplifies the cleanup process, a convenience that can't be overstated for busy home cooks. The material's hard-wearing nature promises longevity despite regular washing, making these boards a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious consumers. In terms of functionality, the non-slip design offers a substantial advantage, providing the necessary grip to ensure the boards remain steady during use. This stability is crucial for safe chopping and carving, helping to prevent accidents and ensuring precision in meal preparation. An essential aspect of these cutting boards is the deep grooved edges that encompass the board's perimeter. This design element serves to capture runoff juices from meats and fruits, maintaining a clean workspace and reducing the need for constant wiping. It's a feature that not only promises a tidier countertop but also a more hygienic food preparation environment. The aesthetics of the boards are as impressive as their functional attributes. Their sleek design renders them suitable for double duty as serving platters for an array of dishes, enhancing the presentation of everything from hors d'oeuvres to casual weekday dinners. At number 1 is the Royal Craft Wooden Serving Board. The Royal Craftwood wooden serving boards are a testament to the brand's commitment to quality, functionality, and style. This set comprises 2 bamboo boards, a large one measuring 15-inch by 10-inch and a medium one at 12-inch by 8-inch, catering to different culinary tasks from chopping to serving with elegance. Crafted from high-quality, minimally refined bamboo, these boards offer a safe and reliable cutting surface, essential for any kitchen. Their dense and non-porous construction results in a durable board that resists scars, scratches, and stains, maintaining its integrity and beauty over many uses. The natural bamboo also ensures a gentle touch on knife blades, preserving their sharpness. A thoughtful design feature is the deep juice grooves that surround the edges of the boards. These grooves capture runoff from meats and fruits, keeping your counters and floors clean, and making the transition of ingredients into cooking vessels a breeze. The incorporation of side handles further adds to the ease of transport and versatility of these boards, transitioning seamlessly from the kitchen to the dining table as charming serving platters. Maintenance is straightforward, a simple hand wash with soap and warm water, followed by the occasional application of food-grade mineral oil to preserve the bamboo's natural luster. This simple care routine ensures the boards remain in top condition for years to come. Above all, the Royal Craftwood cutting boards are presented as an ideal gift for loved ones who cherish quality kitchenware. Whether it's for a wedding, anniversary, or any holiday celebration, these boards are sure to be appreciated for both their practicality and the moments of togetherness they help create around food preparation and dining. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.